So this is the recipe for Croatian dish called Slevenka. The ingredients are the 2 cups of corn flour, a half cup of oil, 1 pack of baking powder, 2 whole eggs. For salty version we are adding a bit of salt, milk if you needed to dilute the mixture, and 1 cup of sour cream. So we are separating the yolks from whites now. So now we are adding sour cream, oil, corn flour, salt, and 1 pack of baking powder. And now we will mix this well. So secondly, we are beating the egg whites. Now we are adding some milk to dilute the mixture. So for the third step, we are mixing mixture 1 with mixture 2. The mixture should be like the mixture of pancakes. And now we are adding the mixture to the oiled deeper baking sheet metal. And now we are putting it into a heated oven on 200 degrees. And we will bake it to golden brown shade.